Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the app runs reliably. Check OS, GPU, drivers, and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Once done, gather your source clips, a short script, and a half-page shot list to guide the AI decisions. Now open the AI video app and create a new project. Choose the correct aspect ratio such as 16:9 for desktop or 9:16 for mobile. Make sure files are named clearly so the tool can import and map assets automatically. You now feed the app. Import your clips, voiceover, and any images and tag scenes with concise labels so the model understands context. Then configure style presets, set pacing, color grade, the voice model for narration, and a target runtime, because presets steer automated choices. After the AI proposes edits, refine the timeline, trim cuts, reposition clips, and tweak AI keyframes for camera moves and transitions. Keep iterating. Small manual adjustments improve coherence far more than default outputs alone. Finish by rendering a short test export at medium quality so you can verify sync, audio levels, and visual artifacts before committing time to full export. Once satisfied, apply a final color pass, normalize audio levels, and choose the deliverable codec and bitrate matched to the platform. If something breaks, stuttering, misaligned audio, or crashes, clear the app cache, re-import the problematic clips, and if needed, downgrade model complexity to a lighter preset. That often resolves processing failures without losing creative control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.